Oh man, I am not really known for ever being speechless. But now somehow my words roll off my tongue right onto your lips.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's look is going to be a one brand makeup look. That means everything that I use in this video is from the same brand, and today's brand is going to be Maybelline. This is not a sponsored video. I just like Maybelline products. It's one of my favorite drugstore brand. When I was filming, I noticed that all the products were working so smoothly together, so I don't know if it has to do with just using that same brand or maybe the products are just good. But either way, this was so much fun to do. I would love to do more of these, so let me know what brands you want to see down in the comment section. And before I start my tutorial, really quickly, I just want to say thank you guys so much for helping me reach 300,000 subscribers. This is so awesome. I'm so happy, and it's all because of you guys. I am planning on doing a huge giveaway. I haven't forgotten, but I'm just trying to put everything together. A while back, I asked on Snapchat if you guys want to see a giveaway on my top favorite products, makeup products in general, probably like top 10 or top 15, or if you guys want a full makeup tutorial and everything that I use in that makeup tutorial will be the giveaway. Like for example, when you click on my description box, it always says products that I use and there's a list, so I'll be giving away that list. So let me know, do you want a top favorite makeup products giveaway or a full makeup tutorial products giveaway? Either way, I'll do one of those, so let me know. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how to create this makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright, first things first, I'm going to start with priming my skin. I'm using Maybelline's Master Prime Primer. This is supposed to blur and smooth out your skin. This is almost done. I've had it for a while now, so if you're looking for a drugstore primer, I highly recommend this one. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my skin with my fingers, like always. Alright, now for the foundation, I have a couple of different Maybelline foundations right here. I have the original Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless one. I also have the Fit Me stick and the velvet, the Dream Velvet foundation. I also have the Dream Wonder foundation. I really don't care for this one. It just didn't work on my skin. But if you want to use this one, you can use this one. But today I'm going to use my matte and poreless foundation, and I am in the shade 220. And to apply my foundation, I'm going to use my sponge from Real Techniques. Alright, now time for the concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Fit Me concealer. Every time I go to the store to pick this one up, it's always sold out or they don't have my color, and they still don't have my color, but I still grabbed number 25, which is medium. I really wanted the sand one because I feel like this one's going to be a little too dark, and I like it to be really bright under my eyes. So we'll see if this one works. This is not gonna do anything for me, but I'm still gonna apply it, and then I'm gonna use my other Maybelline concealer on top of this. Alright, so I grabbed my other Maybelline concealer. This is my baby. This is the Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair, and I've gotten through so many of these. This is just a really good concealer. I really like it. I need to put my hair back because we're gonna get down and dirty. Alright, now to set my foundation and my concealer, I'm gonna use this Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 220 as well. And to apply it, I'm gonna use my Sigma F30 powder brush. To set my concealer, I'm actually going to use a smaller brush because this will get into smaller places and I can control it better. So I'm just going to get that powder and apply it under my eyes. Alright, now to bronze or contour my face, I'm going to use another Fit Me powder, just like this one. I just picked this one up today. This, like I said, this one is in the shade 220 and this is in the shade 355. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and I'm going to use my angled brush from Sigma, which is the F40 brush. Oh, that's a lot. I actually like the idea of contouring with a darker foundation. Alright, with the same powder, I'm going to contour my nose with my e.l.f. angled brush, if I can find it. Alright, so looks like I can't find my e.l.f. brush. It's just a really tiny angled brush and it's only $1. Normally I contour my nose with that, but since we can't find that, I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics brush. This one has two sides, so I'm going to contour my nose, or I'm going to draw two lines with this side, and then I'm gonna blend it out with this side. Alright, now that we have our two lines going down the nose, I'm gonna use the other side of the brush and blend it. Blush, I got this one right here. This one comes with a little brush, but we're not going to be using that. This one is called Light Rose. I'm going to be applying this with that same angled brush from Sigma. So this is what the blush looks like. It's so pretty and pink. Hopefully it's just as pretty on the skin. Let's see. Alright, now I'm going to move on to the eyes. Today I'm going to use the Nudes palette, and I already have a tutorial using this palette, but that one was a little bit more dramatic than today. Today I'm just going to stick with the browns and the bronzy shades. So the first color, actually I have to prime my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes with that same Fit Me concealer, not the bright one, the new one I got, if I can find it. Alright, so I'm going to prime my eyes with this right here just to see how that's going to work with the eyeshadows. Since I don't like this shade as my concealer, I'm going to see how it's going to work as a primer. Alright, so the first eyeshadow I'm going to take is this dark bronzy shade right here. And this is going to go all over my lid with my 239 brush from MAC. Alright, now I'm going to take my E40 blending brush without any product on it and just blend my crease and get rid of any harsh lines from the eyeshadow. I honestly just like the eyeshadow like this alone. I almost don't want to add anything more to this. So I decided I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna add any more eyeshadows because this eyeshadow alone is beautiful. But if you want to add more eyeshadows, maybe you can take the gold shade right here and apply it on the center of the lid. That would look pretty. I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow and apply it on my lower lash line with that same 239 brush. Alright, now to line my eyes, I'm going to take my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in Blackest Black. And to apply that, I'm using a small angled brush from Coastal Scents. Now this is gonna mess everything up. I have to wait for it to dry first and then try to clean it with a Q-tip, but it's gonna make my blush so blotchy. So I tried cleaning up the eyeliner that was right here, and that was a total disaster, and my camera died, so I just wiped everything off on this side of my face right here and just applied everything all over again, the foundation, powder, and blush, and concealer. That wasn't fun. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is apply, oh my god. My eyeliner is on this too. Okay, alright, we're gonna try to stay positive throughout this video. So the mascara I'm using is the Mega Plush Mascara. I'm gonna be applying this and then I'm gonna move on to the false lashes. Oh my goodness. This is a green mascara. I got a green mascara. You know what? Okay, so I got another Mega Plush Mascara and this one is black. I'm gonna be applying this on my upper lashes and lower lashes. And for the lashes, I'm using these ones from Dog by Mooks because Maybelline doesn't have any false lashes, or maybe they do and I'm just not aware of it, but I haven't seen any. So today I'm going to be using these ones, and these are in the style Giselle. These eyelashes are so natural looking and it doesn't feel like I have anything on. They're so light. Alright, for the brows, I'm going to use that black gel liner with that same angled brush that I used to line my eyes, and I'm just going to lightly fill my eyebrows in. My eyebrows are looking a little too long right now, so I'm just going to cut them. Now I'm gonna go back to the palette and take this shimmery shade right here and this one right here, mix those two together and use that to highlight. Alright, now I'm gonna line my lips with a new lip liner that I picked up today, and this one's called Rose. You can leave your lips like this, or you can apply a lipstick over it. I'm gonna apply a lipstick, and this one is called Lust for Blush. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. This is a matte lipstick, and it smells so good. Alright, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like doing this one brand makeup look, so let me know what other brands you want to see next, whether it's high-end or drugstore brand. I would love to do something like this again, so just let me know down below in the comment section what brand you want to see next. So yeah, I think this is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!